IG, what's good?
Yeah.
YouTube, what's poppin'? Man, let's get right into it.
Let's go. What up, Retro?
Retro fam.
Let's go.
Retro gang gang. Man, this your boy Retro Rick from Retro Rick and Maddie's Kicks. Look, man, I'm getting a little confused, man. We had days 80 something and Nike had to pop up. You got 11 more days left. They leaving March the 30th. That's that Saturday. They switched the times. I'm gonna update y'all right now. You know your boy gonna keep y'all linked in the forum. So Monday through Thursday, the new times are from 12 to 5. And then on Saturdays, on Fridays and Saturdays, they doing it from regular business hours, which is from 11 to 7. Sundays they close, gang. So look, y'all heard it here from your boy Retro Rick. So look, let's hop right into it. While I do all that, unboxing, you seen it, I'm doing thumbnails now, right, gang? Look, we gotta get these advertising dollars up. I'm doing thumbnails now. There won't be no clickbait. We still gonna hit y'all over the heat with this content and this dope unboxing as promised. Before we get to this unboxing, before I get to rambling and everything, blessings. Look, y'all made me and Maddie's campaign take flight. And we thank y'all, Retro family, Retro gang. We fed 250 people. Me and my family, my wife helped out, all 4 of my girls. The reason why I keep saying 4 daughters and stuff of that nature, y'all don't want to miss that. Y'all gonna learn when I keep saying how many kids I got. Y'all gonna start going back watching my other videos. So know before my campaign kicked off what's going on, man. Because some of them videos are gonna help y'all win some prizes here on YouTube. Some giveaways, some chances to enter the lottery. We might do exclusive picks where there's only 10 people in the lottery for a particular shoe. We still doing shoes retail and under. Have nothing changed, gang. Ain't nothing changed but the thumbnails. So look, let's get right into it, man. We're gonna unbox some heat right now. I picked this up from Nike. Yeah, Nike. And look, I rock other stuff besides Nike. Trust me, the campaign finna come strong. I'm waiting for them boys to leave March the 30th. When they leave, look, Adidas, but Reebok, Aces, Felines, New Balance, your boy with some of everything. Y'all gonna see real quick what I'm talking about. So everybody just think I'm just on Nike. No, man, I got some heat for y'all, trust me. So let's get right into it, gang. Let's unbox these, man. Once again, Nike, y'all tripping with the tape. This Just Do It tape is killing me, gang. Hold on, let's get this. I hate stepping out the camera, man. But when Maddie ain't here, and on my producer, you know, I'm be working by myself, so y'all know how it is, gang. Look, it's Just Do It tape, y'all. Chill out. Nike box, even with the Nike on the box. Gang, chill out, please, man. Come on, Nike. Let's see what's going on. I got a pair at the pop-up Saturday. By now, y'all don't know by the thumbnail. Hopefully you don't, but we still gonna keep y'all going, hanging in there. Now y'all see what's going on, right? Y'all see what's going on, right? Quick Strike, Air Max, Mars.
Yeah. Let's go. What up, Retro?
I've been seeing other people's videos and posters.
Let's go.
But nothing like a Retro Rick and Maddie's Kicks unboxing. I'm gonna tell y'all right now, y'all know we finna wait the dead. Y'all know I'm finna hit the wall and give y'all a detailed review. I'm gonna cut off the lights and everything. I heard they light up. We gonna find out, gang. Bottom,
you see him, just check out the
orange. Unbox one. There's one shoe on the wall.
It's back to the box and switch. Retro game, keeping it lit. Check out the channel.
Tell me what y'all think. Leave a comment. Yeah, laces on deck. Y'all know how I am about my laces, so you got one lace in the shoe and they give you 2 other laces. Hey, appreciate you. You know what? Gonna hit the wall. Then we gonna wait the days. Let's get it, gang.
Act like you know, dude.
Alright, gang, we on the wall right now, man. Let's see what's going on.
Give it back to the peak.
Let's see. Right now, I got the flash on the camera on so y'all can see. See that? It's lighting up. You can kind of see the whole aspect of the shoe. Of course, when you see it, it was orange. Now it's kind of looking like we ran it on Mars. With them craters and everything is actually showing. Bottom. You know what, gang? Let's get the other one out the box with these laces. Let's move this out the way. I can tell you right now, the other laces light up with the 3M. I can see that through the camera. Make sure we keep everybody linked in the form with this one. Inside, you got Nike on the inside, the Air, orange color. You got the I'm not mistaken, right here, you got the 3M right here on the back and the tongue as well. 3M. Y'all leave a comment, you know what I'm saying? Let me know what y'all think. If it's, you know, you think it's sit or lit, it doesn't matter. Please leave a comment. You know, we need them comments. I love interacting with y'all. Me and Maddie love responding. I try my best to respond to every text that we get or every comment that you leave, even if you DM us. Y'all know how your boy do. That's nice, man. Y'all tell me what y'all think. Hey, I got them because they my personal pair. Some people might don't like them. It is what it is. It's at the shoebox. It's all that matters to the kids. And me and Maddie, trust me, we gonna go and wait the dead on these now, man. We gotta go and hit y'all with an on foot. Wait the dead. Man, you know what, Retro family? Let's go and get it poppin'. Now, wait the dead. Gang.
And if you got the chips, you can come take you a pic.
3M.
Air Max 95.
These retail for
And the
160, come up to like 174.
So we give it back. With every purchase we get. Feeding on hopeless and keeping the fresh.
3M right here.
We're taking some kicks. Go.
Hope the shit was poppin'. I got the flash on
It's all
the
about showing and
videos. Hope you see
proving.
everything.
We gon' do what we do.
Yo, had to wait the day.
None
He's
of our
gone.
people are losing.
These gone.
If you up with the movement,
Put the other
you
ladies
know we
on.
the truest.
You know you're
Jumping
right,
the
we
sauce and
right.
it's Susan. Cause greatness is what we pursuing. Yeah, retro. And Maddie kicks. We ahead of the way. We keeping it lit.
Air Max is 326. Y'all leave a comment. Y'all want me to rock these on Air Max Day? I'ma upload on my next digits the couple more pairs. I need y'all to vote on. I'ma upload 2 more pairs. I need y'all to help the gang and let me know what we gonna wear on 326. So I'ma upload 2 more pairs. All of them gonna be 90s. It's your boy with the on foot, gang. You know how I say it, thing buttery. Gang. Let's get back in the shoebox, man. Gang, we back at the shoebox. After having on foot for about a good 10 minutes walking around. I'm not gonna cap. You know your boy gonna keep y'all informed. I love the shoe, but I'm gonna advise you to go 1 size up or a half a size. So look, I know the shoes are sold out online. If you're gonna order on eBay, StockX, wherever you get it from. Tell them Retro say go 1 size up. So you know I'm gonna keep y'all informed. That's out the way with these. I hope y'all enjoy. You know what your boy always say, man. We love y'all. Stay strong. Stay double strong, man. Whole lot of gang, man. This your boy from Retro Rick and Maddie's Kicks. And we thank y'all. Subscribe. Please subscribe now. If you have not, tell a friend, Notification gang. Keep them bells on. We're gonna be uploading heat. If the notification bell ain't on, you don't get that notification, you're gonna miss out. My other people will tell you. Retro family, they'll tell you. YouTube, Retro Gang, YouTube, they'll tell you. Everything official. Since, look, A1, since day one. I'm not gonna stop. I'm gonna keep applying pressure. I'm gonna keep helping out, helping the less unfortunate. This your boy Retro Rick, man. We out. Gang.